What time is it? It's prepositions time. Today we're answering a request for an episode on prepositions. There are 3 categories of prepositions. In this show, we'll only discuss one category. We'll look at some prepositions of time. Hi, I'm Dora, and welcome to another wonderful episode of Bite Size English, your daily bite of English. Prepositions are difficult to remember. They are those tiny words that are just a few letters, but are the key to sounding like a native speaker when used correctly. So go get that cup of coffee or tea, take a deep breath, sit back, and see how much you already know. Look at these prepositions. Let me ask you some questions and you tell me, which preposition do you use? When was YouTube created? In 2005. When do people go to the beach? In the summer. Which month do we celebrate Easter? It's in April. When do you eat breakfast? In the morning. When is this episode over? In 4 minutes. We use the preposition in for years, seasons, months, when we use the words morning, afternoon or evening, and for periods of time. Now, which preposition do we use here? James likes to exercise Sunday mornings. James likes to party his birthday. We need a preposition. But which one? That's right, it's on. We use the preposition on when you name a day or dates. When someone asks you, what will you do this weekend? Don't say, I'll go shopping in Saturday. Nope, try again. You'll say, I'll go shopping on Saturday. And when I ask you, what will you do on your birthday? You'll say, I'll celebrate and eat cake with my family on my birthday. Now here's something to know. Here in Canada and the US, we say, I'll see my friend on the weekend. I'll be with my family on Christmas Day. But in British English, they'll say, at the weekend or at Christmas. And when do we use the preposition at? Listen to these sentences. At 7 a.m., James works. At noon, James eats lunch. At 1 p.m., James goes for a walk. At 2 p.m., James reads emails. James plays video games at night, or James relaxes at night. Take a minute to look at these sentences. We use at when we use a time and when we talk about the night. Last one, from and to. We use from for the start time or day, and to for the time or day when the activity is finished. Here's an example. Here in Canada, most people work in offices from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Here at Bite Size English, we work from Monday to Sunday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. to make new episodes for you. We are busy from New Year's Day to Christmas Day, and we'll always be there for you, our students. Test time. Which prepositions do you use for times of the day? Right, the preposition at. When do we use on? For a day or a date. When we talk about years, months, seasons? Yep, the preposition in. Here's a tip. Watch this episode again and ask yourself these questions. Which year was I born? Which month is my birthday? Which days do I work? What time do I eat dinner? What time is your favorite store open? When learning or practicing new language, always use it to talk about yourself first to help you remember it. Did you enjoy your coffee break today? Remember to click subscribe so that on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you'll get to watch a new episode. That's all for today. See you next time right here on Bite Size English.